Hello, in this video I will show how we can find average and sum of only filtered values in Excel from a list. So let's do it. So we have a list here, you can see we have a table here, okay? This is our table, and what I will do now, I will apply filter, okay? And I want to find total sales made by Diana Spencer. So this is, for that I will do subtotal function use. I will use subtotal function, subtotal, and then I will use 109. You can see 109 is for sum. This is, then this. Now if you want to find average, then again I will use subtotal function, and for average here is 1, so I will use 1 comma and use this one. We got it, okay? Let's say I want to find average of let's say Poonam Sharma. So what I will do, I will deselect out, select this, okay? So this is not for Diana Spencer, it is for Poonam Sharma, okay? And for average I will use 1. So for average for Diana Spencer I will use subtotal 1 comma D5 D15, okay? So this is our average.